Hi, I'm John, G0GCQ, just back again with a little look at my portable APRS kit, my little go bag. I actually got the idea of this bag and what's inside it from Jason KM4ACK's video, which I'll put a link to down in the description. But it's something that I had in mind anyway for my portable APRS station, so I'll tell you more about that later. But let's have a look and see what's inside this very small bag. Okay, well the first thing you'll notice here is that I've got this antenna, and this antenna is a Nagoya, and it's telescopic, so it comes out and the top bit comes out. So for 2 meters it's a good half wave really. So it's quite good, especially on 70 sems for local repeaters and so on, or not even so local. But so that's quite nice. So that I use that because it gives me a bit of a advantage over the small rubber duck. But that's the expanding antenna. So in the front of here, I have got cables. And these cables are for every type. That's a C, that's just a micro, that's a lightning cable, that's a micro again. This is a small hub really, C hub. You'll see why I've got a C hub in there in a moment. That's that. Not using that bit at the moment. And I've got 4 batteries, which are AAAs, 4 batteries, and AAs, which are always useful. And I have got a spare battery that will go in there for the Bofang, which is inside here. So that's that side. And in the main part of the bag, which doesn't fold open like this one, so I have to open it like this. First of all, I have my computer. It's actually a mobile phone. Some of you may have heard of it. It's a Gemini, and it's a very good little mobile phone. It opens up, and it's got its own keyboard. So it's a Planet Gemini, and it's quite nice, and it runs APRS Droid, which I find very useful. And obviously I use the RF side, but I could at a push if I wanted to, and there were phone signals, I could obviously use the phone network as well. But at the moment I use it for connecting to the interface, the TNC Bluetooth interface. So that's that bit. That's quite a powerful little device. And in here also I have got my power brick, which has got it can be charged up with USB micro or USB-C charge up, and it's got 2 USB-A's on the back, which are 3.0s. Not that it matters particularly, because I only use it for my APRS, as you can see there, on and off switch. It's quite not a bad solar panel on it. It does help, but that keeps that going. And obviously it means that if I've got someone with me, or I want to charge up something, be it this little Planet computer, I can use one of these. And the reason for the hub is because both of these on the either end are USB-Cs, so that's why I've got the C hub, and also one of the cables is the C. In here also I have got the Bofang, and I've got the mobile TNC on the back. This is a TNC2. I've got a TNC3 in the shack, but that's going to be attached to a Raspberry Pi Zero following Jason's build at the moment. So this one, obviously the antenna can fit on there to give me the extra oomph, but I also keep the original rubber duck in there as well. So it's quite easy to use, just a quick press and you'll see it was in the light, I hope. You'll see it just turns on, and then the Bluetooth reacts with the computer, which is my mobile phone, Gemini mobile phone, and that controls through the Bofang. Simple little device, works an absolute treat. Can't complain of that, I tell you. So that's that. And I've got in here at the moment a torch, which is you know, typical LED torch, magnetic and with a hook, etc. So that will do me for the moment in case I need it at all. I say I'm looking for one or two other bits to put in there, but at the moment that's the main bit in this comms gear pack. So it means that I can go out with APRS. It takes me just a couple of moments to fit it all together and get it running. It's really very quick to get running. I've got backup power, which I can also use for my iPhone if I need it, or if I'm with someone. You know, it's very easy to use. So there isn't much in there, but you know, obviously there's enough for an APRS station, and it's quick and easy, and it's just a small bag. I do have several bags. I have a bag for my HF kit, and the idea is to take this out with it, so when I'm transmitting from the HF kit from my G90 usually, but not exclusively, then I've got this to be able to show people where I am. So that's the idea behind it. So just a very quick, simple video, not too complicated today, and as I say, it's a simple little thing to do. Okay, I hope you like what you saw inside this bag. It's certainly very useful, and as I say, I can take it out with my HF kit and be beaconing out there on APRS, which is quite good. Anyway, thanks for watching. More to follow later. Cheers, 7-3.